Hello, I'm Teemu from DUSTMOVERS. In this episode we are going to dismantle BBS RS wheels, so let's get to work. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it's right here. And now done. Now it's time to tear down these BBS RS wheels. We must separate all these three parts. And after that, these lips are going to Fame Wheelworks. Lauri will polish them, and also here is some scratches and etc. So he will be restoring these outer lips. We will remove these bolts and try to separate these parts.
Look at these eyes, they're not here to please you. There was a time you could be mine. Before all that you put me through, I knew that you were trouble, but I let that you were bad. I'm living in this bubble and it makes you so mad. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like.
Here are the bolts. These bolts has been replaced earlier because you can see the BBS logo in there. But I don't care. These are new bolts, 10.9, and they are in great condition, so we can use these. I think we will buy new nuts, but the bolts are okay. Let's unscrew this center nut and also the waffle.
Don't need you to like, you can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
That's how you tear down the BBS RS wheels. As simple as that. So now the lip is a separate part, also the center, and the inner barrel is separate parts. Now it's easy to polish the lips, paint the centers and replace the barrels. And the reason why I'm going to replace these is because all of these has been welded and all of this has been cracked. This has been welded and it is still cracked. There is one weld, there is second weld and there is third weld. So there is no way I'm gonna use these on my car. No way. Every wheel I'm using must be unwelded and totally straight. So the only option is to buy new barrels. They are cheap ones. But that's not the problem. If you think the new barrels will last like 30 years, like this one has been, so the cost isn't that big. Now this wheel is in pieces and we will continue and do the same thing to another 3 wheels.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
And now they are in parts, so the restoration project has begun. On the 4 barrels there are like 20 cracks, so there isn't any point why you should weld these. The lips are kinda okay, there are scratches etc, but I hope the Lauri at the Fame Wheel Works will handle those. And also here are the centers, they look pretty good, need just new paint. I want different color for those. And the center caps, the center waffles, this needs to be painted, the waffles needs to be painted, and the nuts must be polished. I bought this old washing machine and I'm trying to modify it to oven so I could powder coat everything at my garage. It's like medium size, so for example here is the center for 17-inch BBS RS. There is still space and it will be hanging from the top. So when the parts are size of this, it will be okay. But that's the next project when we have got the spare time. Now the wheels have been dismantled and the lips are ready to be sent to the Lauri Fame Wheel Works, and I hope those will be like new ones. I must order the new barrels soon, but there is no hurry since the car isn't ready for the driving. So I think we have got more than a half year until we need those, but it's better to buy them earlier than too late. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like if you liked, we will see you on the next episode. Bye!